clams.
Clams, big fan.
People don't eat enough of these in this country, but these razors, I mean, you can do so many things with these, but I like them on the plancha. Bit of garlic, bit of lemon juice. But these, vongole is the...
I love vongole. I cook that for Laura all the time.
What's it, 4 ingredients and just one of the best spaghetti dishes of all time.
And the Portuguese clams we had.
Oh yeah, with the coriander. Yeah, they were amazing. And we got a recipe for that now. So, yeah, to be honest, I think clams are my favourite shellfish. If I had to choose, but I get to have both of these.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously lobster and crab, but, you know, I think vongole is one of the top 5 dishes of all time.
Yeah.
What are we drinking it with?
So this would go well with the Portuguese with coriander clams. This is Vinho Verde from Portugal, and actually it's taken off in the UK because it's really fresh and light and easy to drink, perfect summer drink. So more interesting than Pinot Grigio
or rosé
or rosé. Yeah. So we're selling lots more Vinho Verde.